Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside Steam, sign in and open either Big Picture or the desktop client. Navigate to Settings, then Controller, and select General Controller Settings so you can see detected devices. Once done, make sure Steam Input is enabled for the controller type you used. This exposes configuration options. Now open Manage Controller and Configurations for the game or global profile you want to change. You're preparing the exact profile to remove, so you don't delete the wrong configuration later. You locate the active profile under Manage Controller and Configurations for either a specific game or the global layout. Select the configuration currently applied. You'll see options like Edit, Export, or Delete. Choose Delete to remove the custom mapping entirely, or pick Set to Default if you want the official Steam layout instead. Confirm the action when prompted. After removal, allow Steam to sync with the cloud so the change applies across devices. This prevents old configs from reappearing. You finish by cleaning up any residual files. Navigate to Steam/userdata, find your account ID, and inspect config/controller configs for leftover JSON. Delete matching files if necessary. Then restart Steam and the controller and launch the game to test that inputs are back to default. If you still see the old mapping, disable Steam Input for that game or clear the cloud-synced config via Steam's Cloud Management. Make sure to re-enable syncing only after confirming the correct default is active. This resolves most persistence issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.